In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Hostinger in under 5 minutes. Whether you're managing an existing website or just starting out, being able to access your Hostinger account is essential. Let's dive in and make this process quick and easy. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Hostinger website. Simply type Hostinger's address into the search bar, or if you have it bookmarked, you can click directly from there. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, you'll be greeted with an array of options and services they offer. But today our focus is to quickly gain access to your account. Now that you're on the site, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button that says Log In. This is the gateway to accessing all the tools and features that Hostinger provides for managing your website. Clicking on Login will direct you to the login page where you'll need to enter your login credentials. Make sure you input your registered email address and password here. Double check that your caps lock is off and that you haven't made any typos. It's essential that you enter the correct details to proceed without any hiccups. Once your information is entered, press the login button. If you've entered everything correctly, you should be smoothly transitioned into the dashboard of your account. This dashboard is where you can manage your domains, hosting plans, and access other services that Hostinger offers. Each section is clearly labeled, ensuring that you can navigate with ease. If you're having trouble remembering your password, fear not. Simply click on the Forgot Password link and you'll be guided through the necessary steps to reset it. Just follow the instructions provided in the email that Hostinger will send to your registered address. For those of you who use password managers, this process becomes even more seamless. Just let your password manager autofill the login fields to save time and ensure accuracy. With everything in place and access granted, you're ready to start working on your website projects with Hostinger. Remember, consistency and accuracy are key when logging in, so always ensure you're using the right credentials. Thank you for joining me today and making it through this simple but essential process of logging into Hostinger. With your account now easily accessible, you can start bringing your ideas to life online with efficiency and ease. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out more of our guides and tips to optimize your web experience. Happy hosting, and I'll see you next time.